I am back with another video for you, and today I wanted to give you guys a little in-depth video of what I got at the Ipsy Gen Beauty convention that I went to just like a month ago at this point. I know it's really long overdue type thing. I wanted to do this, but I never got around to sitting down and showing you guys what I got. So yeah, this is not me bragging about what I got. This is just kind of, if you're wondering what people actually get when they go to these conventions, this is pretty much what happens. Like, I knew we would get like products, but I didn't realize how much we would get. So if you guys actually watched my Ipsy vlog, then you would see that we were going through everything. But yeah, if you guys really want to know what exactly I got at this convention, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so when you buy your tickets, you end up getting a bag that comes with it, and the bag looks like this. So yes, it's a lot of stuff. Some of this stuff I ended up collecting as I was going, but yeah, pretty much you would get like about, my mom said like maybe $600 worth of products, which is kind of crazy. So the tickets we bought were $2 for 2 people, so that's like not a lot for what you get. So I'm gonna also maybe another time like talk about my experience and like what you should know if you're gonna end up going to one of these events, just so you guys know. And there goes my cat. So with these products, there's only one couple of things I did buy. All of this other stuff is actually just stuff you collected as you went to booth to booth. So first off, I'm just gonna show you what I bought, which was just stuff from MAC. So I bought the Fix Plus finally. I went to this last, so I'm almost out. Like, I use this a lot. It's really good. Did kind of spill as I went, but it like spilled like barely anything, so it wasn't like a big deal that it spilled a little bit. I didn't notice it. And then the other thing I bought is this MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. I've been using this so much lately. I'm obsessed with this. And this is in Softly Rockin'. And then sadly, I did get another lipstick, which I have no idea where it went. And it was Yes. Anyways, and it was just a regular lipstick. So it'll show up eventually. They always disappear. You know what it is. And then you can also get a free lipstick. And they were wild colors, so I just got this bubblegum pink lipstick, and this is in Gumball, so it's really pretty. I actually wore it yesterday. I kind of like dabbed it on so it wasn't so intense. But yeah, those are kind of the things I got at MAC. My mom ended up getting a couple things as well. Oh yeah, actually, almost forgot. I also got a palette, which is the Queen Supreme palette. And they're just mostly glitters. Just thought they were fun. I mostly got it for this color right here. Because my mom I said, I like that color. And she's like, go get it. And I was like, okay. So, obviously it's gotta be used. Like, it's me. It's gotta be used like all these other colors. I kind of like the gold in here. Like the copper color. So, yes. I have actually used it. I have an itch right here. I am so sorry. Anyways. So let's just kind of get on in the bag. So a couple things we got. Okay, so going into it, we got a bunch of coupon codes and everything. And then this is just like a giveaway that was going on. We got a coupon code for Meg. And then another coupon code for Meg. And then we got some Lily Lash coupon codes. Just like, which I really wanted to use. I am so mad that I didn't get to go to the Lily Lash one. I wonder if they were giving out free lashes, because then I would have gotten some, but I never got around to it. It is definitely a 2-day event. We just kind of made it a 1-day event, but it's definitely a 2-day event. So keep that in mind. Okay. And then next we did get this brow gel type thing. I waited 30 minutes to get this, I guess. Yeah, this is a whole different video of like waiting in line and everything, definitely. But I got this in the shade, not even gonna try, just nope. Anyways, so that's that. Oh, and then, so you got the brush and then the thing. So, got that, and then we got a free contour brush, and this is by what's the name? I forgot the name. But it doesn't say it on here, and I know what the name is on. It starts with an M. My brain is not working. Just kind of like ignore me. But you got a free brush, which is so soft. We wanted to get there too, and didn't get time to do that, which kind of sad. Alright, this is going to be hard. I need to get my computer. Because this is going to be a long video. So, yeah. It might be a long video. I'm not going to, like, zoom in and zoom out onto these products as well, because there's just going to be so many. And, yeah. So, next we also got is this Dirty Little Secret little liquid lipstick, wow. And it's just this dark red color, purple color. My mom tried it on in the video, so you guys saw it, and it's in Vampy. The shade is called Vampy. So there's that. Also, I got highlight, just the buttercream highlight. My mom's first highlight was this, so yes, I like how it is. It's pink. Fun to have like different colors. My nose is itchy. And then, yes, this was a sample. Like, look at this. This is 2.6 ounces. Like, this is a lot of product. I haven't even opened it yet. So this is the one I believe that they said was for like more of the beachy waves that you want to, if you want to get. So it's just like that. So yes, you get a lot of product. Oh my god, my nose! I have a sneeze. Then we got this Miracle Mask Grow Long by Mark Anthony. And then my mom did this. She got this like texture beach spray. She got it for me. So yeah. Now there was a weird thing that happened. So I was in the line next to her. I didn't really care about getting my hair colored. And apparently they asked if I was mixed. Apparently I get that a lot. I'm not mixed. I have Cherokee Indian in me, but like that's it. I'm just white. And then next we got this Note Lip Gloss and Charmed. And this is the one me and my mom traded. I had the coral, she had the pink, so we traded. Because she's coral, I'm pink. So, it's a really bright pink. But, yeah. Got to that. Next we got this Eye Base Primer. A lot of these I won't remember if I got them in the booth or they were got them in the bag. But you get a lot of free things. Next, this was in the bag. Free sample. Look at this thing. It's like the size of long as my face. So this is this Boss Dog styling cream, and my cat is crying, and I don't know why. He just does that. So you got a big tube of styling cream. Next is the Buxom Big T's Mascara. Just like this. The box. Gonna start putting things away as I do this too, because when else will I do it? Never. Exactly. That's why my vanity's a mess half the time. Next we got this. You did go in a line, so this is just like a shampoo and conditioner sample pack. And then we got a lot of masks. So here's a sheet mask from Lancome. Then shampoo and conditioner by Perfect Volume. Nature Lab Tokyo. Then another brush. This is a fan brush. No one really uses fan brushes, but okay. And then my mom actually bought a full size of this, but this is a Hair Care Mega Freeze hairspray thingy bob. So we got that. What the hell? Oh. And then we got a lip liner. I just read it. This is in the shade Vivid. So, it's just like a dark red. And then we got oil and shea butter, coconut oil. I love coconut oil. If you watch some of my hair videos, you know coconut oil is great for you. So when you go in, you get a wristband. You are scanned at each booth, so you're not getting like multiples of things. And they had this booth for this Vital Protein, and you got the drink, so definitely was enjoying that. Someone I know actually drinks these, so get a coupon code with this as well. Next is just a Perfect Volume Blow Jelly from Nature Lab. So, whatever this is. So it's like a leave-in conditioner. Next, this is literally what I got in the bag. This leave-in treatment. It's like a full-size thing. I'm telling you. You get spoiled at these things. So, oh, my camera is like weird. Just ignore that. You get a full-size thing with your bag. So, definitely awesome. Next is this Lartzi. Wow. I can't say that, but it is a lip pencil, and it's just a dark lip color again. Why does everybody have dark lips? Why can't you just do a nude? Because that's too easy, isn't it? Next is, like I said, a lot of masks. So here's a mask from Meg Cosmetics. Another mask. This is a peel off mask by Beauty Infusion. Another mask by Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. Looks like this. And then another mask, a matcha green tea. Yeah, matcha green tea face mask. Like this. Ooh. And then makeup wipes. I need these. I needed that the other night. And then we got some lashes by Allure. They had an Allure. I didn't know if you would get more free ones. But yes, putting things away like always. And then we got a Nature Lab by Tokyo leave-in treatment again. And then a mirror by Meg Cosmetics. And then the Balm got you. Woo! The Balm got a like contour blush palette thingy bob. Looks like that. And then, like I said, a oil. Oil is good for your hair. This is by Ava NYC. That's really hard to say. And then a correcting primer by Pure. And then we got a nail polish by Cookie. It's pretty. And then we got a lipstick by Cookie. Ah, is this it? No. So you got another free lipstick by MAC, and it's coral. So my mom's favorite color. Yes, you got free lipstick by MAC, like a legit lipstick. Like, what? And the MAC color that we got was Costa Rica. Oh, JK, Costa Chick. Oh, my nose itches. Everything itches. Then we got an Essence liquid lipstick. An Essence liquid wow. An Essence liquid eyeliner. Ooh, that's really black. Really pigmented. Like, that's crazy. And then next is this Note Tester Foundation. That's part of the drama I want to talk about. It's not really drama, but yeah. And then another mud mask, and this is by Pureless. And then we got some Meg Cosmetics Twin Nails little sample thingies. And then another Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. And then we got Pop Beauty eyeliner, just a pencil eyeliner with a smudger at the end. And then another of the sample packs of the conditioner and shampoo. And then my mom gave me her nail polish. She didn't want it, so I have 2 of them. And then we have this Rose Cleansing Oil by Derma E Essentials. So it's just like a moisturizer. That's what that is. And then we got another eyeliner by Pixie. And this is my favorite stuff ever. So this is the Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Primer Spray. So just like check it out if you have not. And then a little, so they give you a little bitty sample size in the bag, but go to the booth and you get this. Just saying. Or you can get the black one, but I got this one. The black one wasn't too my style. So I got a little travel size and then a big size. That's that. That's where they got you. And then we got this Bella Pure lipstick. This is in Sassy. It looks like that. So it's another like coral, more orangey shade. And then we also got this like white eyeliner thing by Pure. That's just that. I've been swatching all day, as you can tell. I'm back on the grind, isn't I? Aren't I? And then this was the favorite thing, the kitty thing. So this is Kitty Cat Gloss by CoverGirl. It's like really thick, but it's CoverGirl. So it's just that color right there. And then we got this Grande Lip Hydrating Lip Plumper, and it's pink. And then the Grande Primer Lash Lifter thing. And then I think lastly what we got, you did get this at the booth, just this bag from Belief. Belief is, I kind of like Belief, so. Oh, I have other stuff in it. I just shoved stuff in here. So this is the Nature Lab Tokyo Oil Mist for like a heat protectant. Next is this serum. I think, no, it's a moisturizer. I still see. Just don't even, yeah. This is by Bioderma. Wow. English. And then, I think, no. So then we got this heat protectant by Briogeo. Never can say that name, just ignore me. And then lastly, in this little bag we got from the booth is this, I think it's a hydrating mist. So you do this after cleansing and toning. And then this is a witch hazel toner. And then we got this eye cream. As you saw, I got this in a Sephora playback just like a couple days ago. And then another water moisturizer thing. But yeah, that is everything I got at the Ipsy Gin Beauty Convention Center. Definitely a lot of free stuff, and it was awesome to go to and experience. And maybe I will be at BeautyCon LA in August. Maybe that's still up for debate of what's going on. But yeah, it was really exciting to go and definitely an interesting experience. I can definitely give you guys more insight on what you should know before going to the convention center. And definitely I will know now going to future beauty events. Hopefully one day I'm a creator at one of those, but that's very far-fetched from here. But yeah, definitely a fun event, and I'm definitely happy to use all of these. If you guys want like kind of like a first impressions type thing on some of these products, just let me know in the comments below. I can tell you guys what my thoughts are actually using some of these products, and maybe do a full face using some of these products just for fun. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. You can also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. There'll be links down below, and I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?